Discover the world of cable-free typing with our list of the top 5 wireless keyboards of 2024. These picks are not just about the absence of wires, but they offer remarkable performance, durability, and stylish designs to suit your workspace or gaming setup. Number 1. Razer Pro Type Ultra. The Razer Pro Type Ultra embodies a perfect synergy of tactile response and quiet operation thanks to its Razer Orange mechanical switches. This wireless powerhouse offers dual connectivity options with Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless technology, which enables smooth toggling between different devices, making it a versatile choice for modern users. The white LED backlit keys are not just an aesthetic feature, but they also ensure you can type or game in low light conditions without missing a beat. With up to 84 hours of battery life, it's engineered for those long typing or gaming sessions without the worry of charging in between. The soft touch coating on the keys provides a comfortable typing experience that reduces finger fatigue over prolonged use. Measuring 14.1 by 5.6 by 1.4 inches, it's compact enough to save desk space yet stylish to complement your setup. The modern USB-C connectivity is an added advantage, ensuring faster and more secure connections, showing that the Razer Pro Type Ultra is not just about looks but also about top-notch performance. Number 2. Keychron K10. The Keychron K10 stands a notch above its hot swappable mechanical switches, a feature that enables you to replace switches without any soldering, making it a highly customizable asset for typing enthusiasts or gamers. The Bluetooth 5.1 technology ensures a solid wireless connection across multiple devices, enhancing your multitasking capabilities. The RGB backlit keys encased in a robust aluminum frame not only add to its aesthetic appeal but also promise a durable lifespan. With a remarkable battery life of up to 240 hours when the backlight is off, the Keychron K10 is ready for marathon typing or gaming sessions. Its full-size layout within compact dimensions of 17.91 by 5.91 by 1.5 inches makes it a space-efficient choice without compromising on functionality. The modern USB-C connectivity is a user-friendly feature for quick and secure connections. The Keychron K10 is a blend of stylish design, customizable features, and robust performance that suits both office and gaming environments. Number 3. Logitech Signature K650. The Logitech Signature K650 is a hallmark of comfort and prolonged battery life in the wireless keyboard realm. Boasting perfect stroke key system, it balances tactile feedback and quiet operation for an elevated typing experience. The cushioned palm rest is an ergonomically designed feature, ensuring comfort during extended usage. This keyboard stands out with its astounding battery life of up to 24 months, significantly reducing the hassle of frequent recharging. Connectivity is a breeze with the Bluetooth LE technology, and an additional USB receiver ensures you have multiple options to link up with your devices. Measuring 17.01 by 5.94 by 0.89 inches, it's a compact yet feature-rich addition to any desk setup. The integrated numpad is a bonus for those requiring quick data entry or calculations. The Logitech Signature K650 is a prudent choice for anyone seeking a blend of comfort, longevity, and reliable performance in a wireless keyboard. Number 4. Logitech K380. The Logitech K380 is your go-to choice for a portable yet robust wireless keyboard. Its scissor switch mechanism ensures a responsive and quiet typing experience, ideal for both office and on-the-go usage. Multi-device connectivity via Bluetooth allows seamless switching between your smartphone, tablet, and computer, enhancing productivity and multitasking capabilities. Despite its compact dimensions of 10.9 by 4.9 by zero point 0.6 inches, the Logitech K380 doesn't compromise on performance or battery life, offering up to 24 months of usage on a single set of batteries. Its minimalist design is not just about aesthetics, but also about providing a space-saving solution for clutter-free workspaces. The Logitech K380 encapsulates the essence of portability and functionality, making it a commendable choice for modern mobile users. Number 5. SteelSeries New Apex 9 Mini. The SteelSeries New Apex 9 Mini is a gamer's delight with its mechanical red switches providing a swift and responsive gaming experience. This wireless keyboard comes with RGB illumination that not only enhances its visual appeal but also aids in low-light gaming scenarios. The robust aluminum alloy frame ensures the keyboard withstands intense gaming sessions while maintaining a sleek appearance. With up to 200 hours of battery life, it's built for enduring those long competitive gaming bouts without the need for frequent recharging. The modern USB-C connectivity coupled with Bluetooth technology provides flexible connection options. Measuring 14.5 by 5.5 by 1.4 inches, it's a compact design packed with essential gaming features. The SteelSeries New Apex 9 Mini is a blend of aesthetic allure, solid build quality, and stellar performance, setting a high standard for wireless gaming keyboards in 2024.